Hey guys, I'm ZinaFX. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Cinema 4D R17 for free. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment what you want to see in the next video. Enjoy. So the first thing you'll have to do is click on the link in the description. This will send you to the page where you can download the whole program. You also need WinRAR. WinRAR is a program that can open RAR files. You'll need it to extract the folder. So when it's done downloading, just drag the file to your desktop. You can close your web browser, you don't need it anymore. Open up the RAR file. Drag the folder to your desktop. This can take a little while, it depends on your PC. So my PC is pretty fast, it won't take that long. Okay, now it's done, you can delete the RAR file. You don't need it anymore, just the Cinema 4D R17 folder. And you need to install the Redist. The Redist is very important for, it's a driver. You need it to run the program, otherwise it will crash when you start it up. So install all the 4 drivers. I already have all of them installed, so that's why I'm repairing them, just in case. So finish this, and you can delete the folder, you don't need this anymore. Go to the next folder and install this as well. This is a very quick install. So now you have the Cinema 4D R17 folder. There you have the program. Open it up, and I already have this done, but it will ask you for a serial code. I put them in the description, so you can just copy them from there, fill in the address, the name, the company, it doesn't really matter. You just need the serial key, paste it in, paste all of them in the slot, and then hit done. Now you have Cinema 4D, the full edition. So I hope you like this video, drop a like again, and enjoy Cinema 4D R17. See you in the next video.